Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Insightly CRM task automation with rules, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Insightly CRM task automation with rules, begin by logging into your Insightly account. Navigate to the System Settings section from the main dashboard. Select Task Automation from the menu options. In the Task Automation area, locate the rules you've previously set up. Click on the specific rule you wish to verify. Review the rules criteria to ensure they match your intended automation. Next, check the associated actions to confirm they are configured correctly. To test the rule, create a new task that meets the specified criteria. Once the task is created, monitor its progress to see if the automation triggers as expected. If the automation does not work, revisit the rule settings to identify any discrepancies. Adjust the criteria or actions as necessary, and save your changes. Retest the automation with a new task to confirm it functions correctly. Repeat this process for any additional rules you want to verify. Document any changes made to the rules for future reference. Once verification is complete, inform your team about the operational task automations. Finally, ensure regular checks on the automations to maintain efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.